Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency Al-Mukarram Kajum Arisan Matawakil Allah SHWM, as the chairman of Zainul Hasan Ginggong Islamic Boarding School Foundation, Honorable Associate Professor Dr. Abdul Aziz BAMAG, as the rector of Zainul Hasan Ginggong University, Honorable Dr. Zainuddin MPD, as the head of English study program, and respected all lecturers and dear friends. Okay, well, today I'm Ahmad Faisal. I would like to talk about a little thing about pronunciation. I'm sorry, I'm a little nervous actually, but I try my best to deliver the thing that I know about the pronunciation. Well, in English learning, there are part of English learning. One of them is pronunciation. Pronunciation is the way how we reduce sounds when we speak a language. If our pronunciation is good, it help others easy to understand what we are saying. And then also, pronunciation it includes about vowels, consonant, and also stress, rhythm, and intonation. With pronunciation, when our pronunciation is good, it helps our friend and other one. It will be easy to understand what word that we say. I found many problems, several problems that students do when they learn pronunciation, both like their mother tongue. Our tongue is not suitable with English actually. Like me, when first I learned pronunciation, it's really difficult because I feel difficult to say R because the first word that I say is R, and also like thing. Sometimes I say thing or sing, and it's really difficult for me to be used to sound that word. But at the time, I found the way we learn pronunciation because one of the phonetic symbol it is suitable with one of the letter in Arabic language. Thing it is same as tha, and like the it is same like the, and that's the way I learned pronunciation. Also, if you want to learn pronunciation, there are several ways that you can choose. Number one is listen more. If you always listening like English vlog or whatever is it, in English vlog, it's make you'll be easier to understand, to listen, to understand what people say. Listening. Number two is practice more. After you listen the word, you try to practice the word. And also, if you want to know the pronunciation, even you don't listen the word, you just try to find some dictionary that there is the guide of pronunciation. It will be useful for you when you learn English. And also, after you try all that things, and then the last one is try to record yourself. Record yourself is make you learn what is the word that's you say in correct one. So it will be help you when you learn pronunciation. And I think enough. That's all from me. Bila saya say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.